In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Stripe. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening your Stripe dashboard right through to submitting your bank account information so you can get paid out correctly. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings area for your Stripe account. Inside settings, you'll see several sections related to your account and business. Find and click on the section labeled Business. This is where Stripe keeps key information about your company and how you receive payouts. Within the business area, look for the tab called Bank Accounts and Currencies and click on it. This page is dedicated to the bank accounts Stripe uses to send your payouts, as well as the currencies those payouts are made in. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the correct currency for the bank account you want to add. Next, click on the option that says, Add a bank account to pay out this currency. This tells Stripe you want to connect a new bank account for payouts in that specific currency. At this point, Stripe may ask you to verify your identity or confirm that it's really you making this change. This is an important security step to protect your funds and account. When prompted, click on Send Verification. Stripe will send a verification email to the email address linked to your Stripe account. Now, open a new tab and go to your email inbox. In this example, we're using Gmail, so you can click on Open Gmail if that option appears, or just open Gmail yourself. In your inbox, look for an email from Stripe related to verification. Open the email that contains your Stripe verification link. Then click on the button that says Verify Identity. This will bring you back into Stripe with your identity confirmed. Once verification is complete, you'll see the bank account information form appear in Stripe. Here, carefully enter your details. Click into the account holder name field and type the exact name as it appears on your bank account. Then click into the routing number field and enter the routing number from your bank. Next, click into the account number field and enter your bank account number. In the Confirm Account Number field, re-enter the same account number to make sure there are no typos. Double-check everything you've typed, and when you're confident it's correct, click on Add Bank Account. Stripe will save your details and use this bank account to pay out funds in the selected currency.